Working so hard all week down at the shopping center up in Ann Arbor. You know, in the Saturday night, and you've been working so hard this week, I thought I'd do a little something special, so I stopped down at the Bed Bath & Beyond and I went straight to the Beyond section. It's a secret door on the back. You open that little fucking thing up and that's where all the potpourri is. Yeah! Cause there's nothing I wouldn't do for you, girl. Lavender candles, I'll get you apricot exfoliating creams. So I picked her up. She came walking up to me. I said, lady, step inside my Hyundai. You guys like my Hyundai? There's enough room for everybody here tonight. It's very spacious. I'm gonna take all of you with me tonight. I'm gonna take you for a real good meal. A little place you might have heard of called Olive Garden. So I turned to her and I sang this to her with all the pathos in my soul and all the longing in my heart. I said, lovely lady,